Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Tome app. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up the Tome application on your device, and if you check within, then there is no feature to log in, which means that all of your data will be saved locally. If you wish to delete your account, then first of all, you will need to clear all of your local data and simply uninstall the app. So from the application, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then tap on Settings. Now from the settings page, proceed with tapping on the clear cache button, and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to proceed. Tap on the yes button to clear all of your cache and user data for the application, and now you can simply search for the Tome application on the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then tap on uninstall. Once you confirm that you want to uninstall the application, this will begin the uninstall process of the app, and all of the app data will be removed as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Tome app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.